Let's see how to create these outline text effect in Photoshop. Import the image into the Photoshop. Go to the Layer panel. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate the background layer. Go to the Window menu and select Properties. From Quick Actions, select Remove Background. Now, choose the Type tool and write your text. Press Ctrl or Command plus T to transform. Rotate it according to your requirement. Right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it. Drag this layer between the two images like this. Now select the top text layer. Reduce the fill to 0%. Double-click on top text layer to open Layer Style panel. Select Stroke. Set value as shown in video. Now apply Drop Shadow. Set value as shown in video. Hold Ctrl or Command and select both text layers. Click on this link icon to link them together. Now you move one layer, both will move at the same time. If you're learning something new, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box.